situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday. This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. Can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated 2.50. Here is the regional weather synopsis. Sunday into Monday. 64. The normal low is 65. The record low is 40. The temperature was 80 degrees. The dew point 65 degrees. Dangerous weather situation. North of Cruise Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio. This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station WNG704 in High Barney Park, Pennsylvania. Severe weather during the normal test time and Newark Harbor. This concludes the reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using it. The test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This varies in New York State and northeast Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Montgomery, Lancaster, and Lebanon. In Delaware, Newcastle, and in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Cruise Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WNG704 in High Barney Park, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. This is NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards for southeastern Pennsylvania and the nearby areas of northeastern Maryland and Delaware, station WNG704 from High Barney Park, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station WNG704 in High Barney Park, Pennsylvania.